Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on industrial relations and labor enactments. The topic is focused on labor and security laws, part first. Now, question number one. Who among the following advocated the theory of full employment? Options are A. Beveris, B. Keynes, C. Adam Smith, D. A.C. Pigou. Correct option is B. Keynes. Now, question number two. Bonded labor system abolition act is the result of the ratification by India of which of the following conventions of ILO. Options are A. Unemployment Convention 1919, B. Forced Labor Convention 1930, C. Weekly Rest Industry Convention 1921, D. Right of Association Agriculture Convention 1921. Correct option is B. Forced Labor Convention 1930. Question number 3. Which of the following has not been implemented through any legislation at the national level? Options are A. Joint Management Council, B. Workers' participation in management, C. Recognition of trade unions, D. None of the above. Correct option is D. None of the above. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, the correct answers in the from among the options in each question is highlighted. In case of any discrepancy found, I will be correcting that through my narration. Question number 4. The composition of which of the following is similar to the structure of ILO? Options are A. Canteen Managing Committee, B. Standing Labor Committee, C. Safety Committee, D. Works Committee. Correct option is B. Standing Labor Committee. Question number 5. Which of the following is not an objective of workers' education scheme in India? A. To make workers responsible citizens, B. To make them efficient at work, C. To enable them to earn more, D. To make them responsible union members and officers. Correct option is C. To enable them to earn more. Question number 6. Which part of the Indian Constitution has shaped the labor welfare programs? A. Preamble, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Now, question number 7. International level organization is agency of dash A. IBRD, B. Union Security Council, C. International Fund for Agricultural Development, D. United Nations. Correct option is D. United Nations. Question number 8. Headquarters of International Labor Organization is located in A. Geneva, B. Rome, C. Paris, D. Tokyo. Correct option is A. Geneva. Question number 9. Agency of United Nations which deals with the international labor standards and providing social protection and working opportunities is dash. Options are A. International Corporation of Law, B. International Law Organization, C. International Workforce Recruiters, D. International Labour Organization. Correct option is D. International Labour Organization. Question number 10. International Labour Organization received Nobel Peace Prize in dash A. 1965, B. 1969, C. 1959, D. 1949. Correct option is B. 1969. Question number 11. International Labour Organization was formulated in options are A. 1925, B. 1939, C. 1919, D. 1929. Correct option is C. 1919. Question number 12. Dash is not a chief organ of UNO. Options are A. ILO, B. Security Council, C. International Code, D. General Assembly. Correct option is A. ILO. Question number 13. The International Organization of Employers IOE with headquarters in Geneva was formulated in dash A 1910, B 1920, C 1930, D 1940. Correct option is B 1920. Question number 14. Trade union movement in India emerged between dash A 1920 30, B 1850 70, C 1870 80, D 1930 47. Correct option is A 1920 1930. 15. The Code of Discipline in Industry was adopted by the Indian Labour Conference tripartite in dash A 1948, B 1958, C 1968, D 1950. Correct option is B 1958. Question number 16. The Constitution of India affords the principle freedom of association as a fundamental right enunciated by ILO Convention in dash. Options are A. Article 20 Clause C, B. Article 19 Clause C, C. Article 24 Clause C, D. Article 18 Clause C. Correct option is B. Article 19C. Question number 17. The ongoing globalization in the country needs reforms in our labor laws. The forces opposed changes in the existing labor legislations is dash A. Government, B. Labor and trade unions, C. Employers associations, D. Human Rights Commission. Correct option is B. Labor and trade unions. 18. Collective bargaining in USA mostly takes place at the dash A. Industrial level, B. Regional level, C. National level, D. Enterprise level. Correct option is D. Enterprise level. 19. In which country productivity bargaining was first used? A. The USA, B. India, C. The UK, D. Germany. Correct option is C. The UK. 20. The purpose of granting recognition to trade unions in the USA by NLRB is to dash A. Send representatives to ILO, B. To participate in government bodies, C. To raise labor disputes, D. To be accepted by management for collective bargaining purposes. Correct option is D. To be accepted by management for collective bargaining purposes. Now, question number 21. Industrial relations problem at Maruti Udyog Limited at its Manesar plant was concerned with dash A. Permanent workers, B. Contract labor, C. Displaced persons, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Contract labor. Question number 22. Which of these statements is not correct in the light of present industrial relations scenario in India? A. Number of strikes is declining. B. Rate of unionism is increasing. C. Number of lockouts is higher than the number of strikes. D. Wages are revising. Correct option is B. Rate of unionism is increasing. 23. Factories Act was first introduced in dash A. 1818, B. 1883, C. 1893, D. 1948. Correct option is B. 1883. 24. Labor policy highlights dash A. Creative measures to attract public and private investment, B. Creating new jobs, C. Employee-employer relationship, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 25. AFL is dash. Options are A. American Federation of Labor, B. American Freedom of Labor, C. American Federation of Law, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. American Federation of Labor. 26. Labor law covers dash A. Industrial relations, B. Workplace health and safety, C. Employment standards, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.